Evening guys, you thought I was a New Holland man, didn't you? Evening guys, you thought I was a New Holland man, didn't you? So why is that thumbnail John Deere? Well, it's this. My lawnmower. New Holland don't make a decent lawnmower, so I had to have this X540. It's not new, it's about 13 years old, so it's got a 48-inch deck and a power flow collector which blows it into 3 bags here at the back. Right, here's the automatic feeder for the pig pens, and this the chain that goes around. I think it's called a pinion blink chain or whatever. It's snapped, so I have to take this corner off and get in behind here, around here, and put another chain. This chain and snaps. I've got it back together now. We have to put another there. There's another link, and there's a couple of new links in because it had somehow this had it snapped. It wasn't as if it was stuck, because as I was putting it back together, I managed to just pull the chain, and I've just literally just got it back together, and I've just got to put this this corner back on here together now. So I've tried it and it runs, but you can't run it far without the corners on, otherwise it won't. It'll pull that corner off. So right, I've got the corner all screwed back on. This big wing nut is tight now. Let's press the button and see what happens. Actually, while I'm pressing the button, I normally go around this side, so I can just make sure that the links are okay as they go around. Right, we just put this hinge back on the bottom here, the bottom one, because the wind ripped it off last week on these doors here, and it's ripped that bottom corner to bits as well, so we've replaced that. And I think these doors have seen better days, but it's ripped this piece off here as well, so I'm having to rebuild that. Right, I'm just putting on these new nozzles we got. They are the latest in technology. They're a lerap 4 nozzle, which is 90% reduction in drift. The previous was lerap 3, which was 70% reduction in drift. So these are the next one up. Well, they are the best for drift you can get at the moment. So, but they are very, very tight to get on. We'll edit that bit out. Yeah, these ones are angled nozzles. I'll show you. I got this one on. they come out the cap, maybe hold the best way to hold it, angled like that, and you put one so it faces forwards and the next one faces backwards all the way along the sprayer, so you get better distribution of the spray.
Racing against time. No money.
As long as you can get your foot underneath there, which if we lift it up, then just kick the piece of wood underneath. It's got to go a bit towards you, can it? So I'm off the piece of wood. Yeah, that's it. One in front of it, it's got to be close to the thing. And then put another one on top of that.
Yeah.
And then lift it up. Lift it up onto that.
Staircase it.
Yeah. And then we, right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. You've got to come slightly towards you. I think, the next problem is this. There you go. Yeah. I think we might have to, come on. That's, if you put that your side, because that's the pipe for that side of the tube. And that one, we should be able to get something in there to twist that to line it up, shouldn't we?
That wasn't wrong.
Yeah. That's the whole thing that's going to go. I think if I do it like this, and then you just put the wood in to lift it higher. Can you get it in? Still not. I can't go any higher there yet. Well, I think we're high enough, aren't we?
Right. That would actually extend around a little bit.
I don't think that'll be a problem. Right, here we are. We've now got all these 4 pins in the top here, and these two on the bottom that you've just seen from the camera up the top. But we have these bits here that are supposed to go on there in those two holes there like that, but they forgot to send us the bolts. It's 4 bolts, 2 for each side, 2 for this side, and then 2 for that one over there. So we can't do any more. But it keeps raining. We've had another 5.5 mil over the last night, so it's not as if we're going anywhere, but we have rung them up and they should be sending them bolts out so we can get this back together. This is failed probably a week after the sugar beet. You saw me spraying it off last Tuesday. It's now Saturday, so that is, it was the 9th, Tuesday the 9th it was done. It's now the 20th, so that's 11 days ago, and this is dying off. If you look right over this side of the field here, there you can see the line up the field there, which has not been sprayed off, and this is rather wet on this head end, as you can see here. So we're going to have to put some spring tones or something through it to pull it up when it eventually dries out.